Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less fuel while driving. To start, practice gentle acceleration and avoid sudden braking. This can improve fuel economy by up to 20%. Maintain a steady speed, especially on highways, and utilize cruise control. Anticipate traffic flow to minimize unnecessary stops and starts, which helps conserve gasoline. Also, avoid idling for more than 10 seconds, as a car consumes about 1/4 to 1/2 gallon of fuel per hour while idling. Next, proper vehicle maintenance is crucial for fuel efficiency. Ensure your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. Underinflated tires can decrease fuel economy by about 3%. Regularly check and replace your air filter, as a clogged filter can reduce efficiency by up to 10%. Schedule routine engine tune-ups and use the correct grade of motor oil for optimal performance and fuel savings. To further save fuel, minimize drag and weight. Remove any unnecessary items from your vehicle, as every 100 pounds of extra weight can reduce fuel economy by about 1%. Avoid carrying heavy loads unless absolutely essential. At higher speeds, close your windows to reduce aerodynamic drag. Also, remove roof racks or cargo carriers when they are not in use, as they significantly increase drag. Finally, smart travel choices can make a big difference. Plan your routes efficiently to avoid heavy traffic and unnecessary detours. Combine multiple errands into one trip to reduce your overall driving distance. For shorter distances, consider carpooling, using public transportation, or even walking. Driving during off-peak hours can also help you maintain consistent speeds, further improving your fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.